Today I will show you how to create a Python coding questions with AI. So first you have to click on WeCP AI on WeCP platform, and you can enter the prompt, create Python coding questions. AI will ask you, do you want to include hands-on, multiple choice questions, or both? And now it asks you to confirm that the target audience, the duration of the test, the level of the difficulty, and you can type yes and send it. On this step, AI will ask you to confirm some of the skills it suggests you to include into the test. If you want, you can remove some of the skills or type more skills here in the prompt. Finally, the structure and the content of the test is generating. Now the assessment is ready, and you can save the test to see the preview. Let's take a look at the preview of the final test. And here are your multiple choice questions and the final one, which is the coding assessment. That's how you can create Python coding assessment in 2 minutes with AI. And now let's choose some answers to see how it will be solved as a candidate. As you can see, the test was auto-creatable, and now we have this status finished with the percentage of correctly chosen questions and the performance.